Mathomo ma gutungatira arwaru ma murimu wa COVID-19 miciini mathiete makioyaga mwerekera mweru thutha wa ministry yogima wa mwire kuga ne kwaje mutaratara wa kuthomithia uria mundu angitungatira murwaru wa COVID-19 ari mucie nenda-ini cio kinyaniria.
And so we shall explore and see, do we have an online module, a modular format where you're able to see how do I clean my dishes when I'm having home-based care? How do I prepare 0.5% jik? That's an important component of home-based care. How do I wipe my kitchen countertop? How do I disinfect our clothes, our bed sheets, our linen during the home-based care program?
Kwagirithio kwa mutaratara uyu ugokete thutha wa ithaburi ya thirikari kuonania ati kurigitira arwaru wa COVID-19 mucie kwaya gukorwo itharaita ria mwanya ria kung'ethanira na murimu uyu ni wingi wa arwaru aria marabona rungu rwa mubango uyu. Andu 490 ni maborete gatagati-ini kao aria mararigitagirwo kuma mucie 380 mari aria maboneire mucie-ini. Namba ya aria othe maborete riu irugameire bari andu 15,100.
We are happy to inform you that 490 patients have recovered from the disease, of which 308 are from the home-based care program.
Mathaa 24 mavituku thutha wa kuthurimo kwa ithimi 6,768 arwaru eru 650 mari na vairasi cia murimu wa COVID-19 guku namba ya arwaru othe kuma riria murimu watuthukire guku bururi-ini igikinyia andu 28,758. Ibida-ini riu andu angi 4 ni makuite na iko ciothe igikinya andu 460.
Of these cases, 633 are Kenyans, whereas 17 are foreigners, 391 are male, and 259 are female. The youngest is a 1-year-old baby, whereas the oldest is 97.
Kuthingatithia mitaratara iria igitwo ni ministry yogima wa mwiri ya kwithamba njara kuribaniriria na gwikira maski, thirikari yugite itikumairiria kuririkania muingi bata wa mundu kiumbe kwigitira.
We continue then to impose physical distancing restrictions. Curfew continues on with good success, and we shall continue ensuring that the response is heightened.
Ona gutweka dalili cia mundu wina murimu wa COVID-19 ni kuthithina, unyivu wa mihomo, ugukorora na kwaga kuigwa munungo kana musamo. Ministry yugite muingi utige kubuthiriria dalili ici na ithenya-ini riu riria wacigwa ugekinya thibitari-ini niguo ororokana na urekererio ugatungatirwo mucie kuringana na uboti waku na kana ukurigitirwo thibitari-ini. Mieri 5 kuma riria ndwari ya COVID-19 yatuthukire guku bururi-ini na kuona ngirabu ya murimu uyu itire ikuruka na thi, thirikari ithiete na mbere na kuthingiriria muingi ati ni wigiririki waku we mwene kwigitira kumana na kurwara kana gutambia murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Mucii wa Mureithi.